It's pretty cold here. It is like, I think it's like -2 degrees, something like that. It's gonna feel like -15. I think it might already feel like that. And since you're here in one of these lives, then I can tell you in real time. So this is Molly Autumn right here. You probably can't see it because it's kind of covered. Okay, so right here. Oh, she moved. Oh, she moved. So right here is a burn scar. Because when she was 4, well, I'm gonna say 6 weeks old, she was abused. I don't even know where. Like, she had cuts all over her body, burns all over her body. Her whole tail was singed, but not ruined. And her paw has this a little bit where it will probably never grow any hair because it's been a year and a half. And when she was 6 weeks old, after they were done torturing her, they threw her in a dumpster. So she is a rescue. She was definitely, her first few weeks of life was not the greatest. But now she's got the best life with her brother and sister, huh? And how she got her name is my very first Great Pyrenees. Her name was Molly. And when we rescued her was the first day of autumn. Well, her name is Molly Autumn. But Molly was my very first Great Pyrenees, and she looks almost identical to her. Like, identical. And it was almost 10 years to the date. So I just thought that was just the perfect way to honor her and name her Molly Autumn. And I think she's like, I don't really know what her mix is. I think she's a Great Pyrenees mixed with a Labrador Retriever. I'm kind of thinking. And this is a Komondor Great Pyrenees. And the Murray over here is a Great Pyrenees Anatolian. She is a Great Pyrenees Anatolian Komondor. With a whole bunch of snow on her face. I think it's going down a lot harder. You just want to start running, then go back in the house because it is getting really cold. Yeah, I think Autumn wants to play a little bit with Murray. I think Murray wants to go in the house. No, maybe he wants to play. Maybe he wants to play. He wants to play now. He's just a senior. He's